Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing this realistic fresh summer daytime makeup look. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. First, I'm starting off with prepping my skin and I'm using a very nice hydrating moisturizer. As this is a daytime makeup look, always remember that sunscreen is a must, and today I'll be using this newly launched Sugar Cosmetics Bling Illuminating Sunscreen. I really liked this one because of course this is a sunscreen and also it's very moisturizing on the skin and it works as a strobe cream as well. So if you use this one, you don't have to use 3 products separately. Now moving on to the primer, and today I'll be using this recently launched Sugar Cosmetics Color Correcting Primer. This is in the shade Peach. It's very mattifying on the skin, so if you have oily skin, you're gonna like this one, especially if you are going out in the daytime. It's gonna control your oil and sebum production, but if you have dry skin, I'm not really sure you're gonna like this or not. Next, I'm gonna directly move on to the compact powder, and today I'm not gonna use any concealer or foundation. I'm just gonna use a compact powder and call it a day. So today I'll be using this Mamaearth compact powders. Although I really like the formulation of this, but the shade range is a disaster, so I had to make 01 and 02. But if you just find your perfect shade, it's very long wearing, it looks beautiful on the skin, and if you use this, you don't even have to use a concealer or foundation separately if you don't have a lot of blemish or dark circle. I hope you guys can see the difference. I really like these compact powders, but I wish they expand their shade range. Okay, next I'm using a setting spray to deal with the powderiness that's going on my face. For my brows today, I'll be using this NYX Micro Brow Pencil and I'm just lightly filling in the gaps. Now this is an optional step. I'm using the compact powder in the shade 01 and I'm giving some warmth back to my face. This is a little bit darker than my skin tone, so it's gonna look really natural, but also you are gonna get the warmth and dimension back. So if you have a compact powder which is darker than your skin tone and you don't really know how to use it, try this hack. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I really like waterproof mascaras. This is not a waterproof mascara, but it works really great. So yeah, I like it. Now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Bite Size Face Duo. It comes with a beautiful matte blush and a blingy highlighter. I absolutely love it, and also it comes with so many shades. So there are so many shades to choose from, and also the formulation is amazing. It's so compact and travel friendly, so I love this. Now I'm taking the same blush and applying it on my crease just to give my eyes some color. And it gives you that beautiful monochromatic vibe that I absolutely love. Taking the highlighter from the same e.l.f. palette and applying it on all of the highest points of my face. Finishing off with a beautiful liquid lipstick, because liquid lipsticks are more of long wearing and also they are mask proof. And also this is a beautiful warm nude that looks really flattering on Indian skin tone. Here I'm using a tissue paper to deal with the extra liquid lipstick so that my lips doesn't look dry or patchy. And yeah, that's it. That's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.